Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a perfume haul for you. I recently got a ton of new fragrances, and so I just wanted to share them with you and do kind of a mini review. So first up, I have Armani My Way, and this is obviously not new. You can see that I have used this a ton. This probably has been my go-to fragrance this whole year. I also have a travel version of it that I have brought on all my trips. I love this so much that I got the new Armani My Way Intense. And if you look at them side by side, you can see that the juice in the Intense version is darker. The glass is blue on the bottom. And so it really is very similar notes. This is just a little heavier. The notes for Armani My Way Intense are orange blossom, tuberose, sandalwood, vanilla, jasmine. However, the regular My Way is more floral and the jasmine I think is more prominent. I would probably use the Intense version, at night, and this is more of a daytime fragrance. If you wanted to try these, but maybe you don't want to spend close to $100 on one bottle, you can also try the newest Dossier Fruity Neroli. Now, Dossier did send this to me, and this video is sponsored by them. Dossier makes a bunch of great alternative and inexpensive dupes for expensive designer fragrances, and they very kindly sent me a bunch of fragrances to try. The Fruity Neroli is very similar, and I love that the Dossier version tells you right on the label what the notes are. So you can see here, bergamot, neroli, blackcurrant, strawberry, jasmine, tuberose, cedarwood, vanilla. Now, while these are about $100, this is only $29. And they also have great promos. I'll include my promo below if you are interested in purchasing this. Whenever I have kind of a dupe for a more expensive fragrance, I usually start off with just 1 or 2 spritzes of the designer fragrance, and then I douse myself in the alternative dupe so that you're not kind of wasting, the more expensive version. So that is Armani My Way Intense is the newest fragrance to my collection, and then the Dossier Fruity Neroli is the dupe for Armani My Way. Now, next up is actually a solid perfume. It is the Diptyque D'Ozones solid perfume. I unboxed this recently in my Diptyque Advent Calendar unboxing. This was one of the fragrances that was included, and I just think it's such innovative packaging. Listen, it's such a satisfying click with the magnet closure, and the perfume itself is a solid wax. They also did include a 10 ml spray of the D'Ozones fragrance. The notes for Diptyque's D'Ozones it's categorized as a white floral. It has tuberose, citrus, African orange flower, iris, rose, pink pepper, and musk. And so it just is so nice. In the description on the Diptyque website, they describe it as white florals with an ocean breeze. And so that's kind of symbolized here on the artwork. Now, the solid D'Ozones perfume retails for $65, and a full size of the D'Ozones perfume is $188. It is very pricey. So if you wanted to try something similar without the price tag, Dossier also makes a dupe for D'Ozones. It's called the Floriental Tuberose, and it tells you the notes here. Similar notes: orange blossom, rose, tuberose, ooh, daffodil. I've never seen that as a note in fragrance. Benzoin, musk, and orris. If you spray this on one arm and then you spray the Diptyque D'Ozones on your other arm, you literally, I cannot tell the difference. I can't say that about all of them. There are some Dossier dupes that are maybe a little more artificial, and then some of them also maybe don't last as long as the original, but this is virtually identical, and I've tried both and they pretty much last about the same. D'Ozones is a little stronger, so this does last longer, the Diptyque version. But if you just want to get the essence of the scent, I definitely recommend the Dossier Floriental Tuberose, the dupe for Diptyque's D'Ozones. And I think this is also about $29. They're all under $30 or $40, I believe. And they also have a lot of promos where if you buy 2 or 3 or 4, you save a little more. So that is the Diptyque D'Ozones and Dossier Floriental Tuberose. Another addition to my fragrance collection is the newest LV fragrance, Spell on You. I showed this in my recent luxury haul video. My LV client advisor is so amazing that she can engrave my entire name on the front. If you order LV fragrance online, they can only do 3 characters, and also most boutiques will only do 3 characters, so really just your initials. But she managed to shove my whole name on there. But the fragrance itself is also very feminine, very sweet. The notes are rose, powder, violet, jasmine, peach, and white musk. It's very florally, it's very elegant. It is, I would say, maybe a little more mature. It's similar to the LV Rose Devant, but maybe fancier. So some people think that it's more for an older woman, but I like it. It's just very classy and elegant, I think. So that is the LV Spell on You with my full name engraved on there. And then next is Eden Rock. This is part of the Christian Dior Maison fragrances. So I've been meaning to try this. This came out earlier, maybe in the summer, and I was holding off because I like to wait until there is a great promo code or a great gift with purchase. And recently, Christian Dior Beauty Online rolled out, it's called the My Exclusive Loyalty Program, where once you enroll your email address, you accumulate points and it can earn you rewards. I did an entire video about it and I showed all the different tiers from silver, gold, all the amazing gifts you get. And I'm already platinum level because I spend a lot on Dior Beauty. But so this finally pushed me over the edge and I love this. This is my favorite of the Dior Maison fragrances. I feel like it's kind of a departure from their typical floral. They have a lot of florals in their Maison fragrances, but the Eden Rock is more citrus and salty. It has salty notes. It's described as a woody aquatic. It has lots of green notes, white floral, and then a hint of coconut. It is just so good. It's like you're at the beach. My favorite LV fragrance, for example, is Afternoon Swim, and it's a similar aquatic floral citrus. I love florals and sweet fragrances, but my daily go-to is always an aquatic citrus. So this I plan on using a lot. They have a bunch of ancillary products for Eden Rock, you know, soaps and hand soap and maybe lotion. So I've already ordered those. That is on the way, but I am really liking their new Eden Rock salty aquatic citrus fragrance from Dior. And next up is Chanel No. 5 Eau de Parfum. As much as I love fragrances, and I have a lot of fragrances, I did not own Chanel No. 5 Eau de Parfum. If I'm being honest, I'm not a huge fan of the Eau de Parfum. I just think it's a little mature for me, and I just never really kind of gravitated toward the aldehydes in this. But I recently unboxed the Chanel No. 5 Advent calendar, and this was included in it. So I was like, okay, great. Now I have a full size. So not only do I have the full size, but I also have a little miniature. So I love these little mini bottles. I just think they're so cute. This is a classic. I feel like you either love it or you maybe hate it. I don't hate it. It's just not my favorite. I do like the ancillary products, but I appreciate the fragrance. This just won't be my go-to daily fragrance. And then last but not least, I have the new No. 5 L'Eau. This is their newest holiday packaging. So it has this beautiful, I guess it's like a biodegradable case, and it holds a fragrance. It's not in there because I have to show you. This is the new holiday packaging. So this is on an elastic band. This is actually wrapped around the neck of the outer casing, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So you have it on here. And by the way, I already own the No. 5 L'Eau from the Factory 5 collection that came out earlier this summer. And I just had to get it. So I do like the No. 5 L'Eau compared to the Eau de Parfum. So I decided that I just really like the holiday packaging. I debated whether to get the No. 5 Eau de Parfum in also the holiday packaging, but I'm just not a fan of it. So, you know, I have the No. 5, it's fine, but I really don't need the bigger holiday bottle. But I do wear No. 5 L'Eau, so I wanted to get the holiday version of it. So you can see it has, the label is a little different. This is what it looks like all the time. And then the new holiday packaging has this, and it comes with this. This is supposed to resemble the wax seal on their Pure Parfum bottles. And then if you take this out, this is just what it looks like. This is just very decorative to keep on the bottle. So if you want to just display this, you can keep this on here, and then there it's a tighter seal. So that's what it looks like. So these are all just a few of my new recent additions to my fragrance collection. I have been on an advent calendar bender, and so I've been adding some more fragrances to my collection. I have a few more on my list, so I might do another haul soon. So let me know what you think of any of these fragrances. What's your favorite from Chanel? What's your favorite from Diptyque? If you're interested in trying any of these, Dossier makes tons of alternative, less expensive, affordable dupes. I love the Fruity Neroli for the Armani My Way, and Floriental Tuberose for the Diptyque Dosone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye.